Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotya, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Session Gravimetric Analysis. Now we discuss gravimetric analysis used to the mass of a sample to determine the amount of substance of interested. The preparation is the most common form. Gravimetric analysis is a Ag plus chlorine aqueous medium convert to AgCl. So since K is small, AgCl is equal to 1.8 into 10 to power minus 10. Most of the silver will be removed for solution in the form of precipitated. So for the formation, the four molecules formula and mass of AgCl, amount of Ag originally in solution can be calculated. Gravimetric analysis are dependent of several factors. Value of Ksp. If Ksp is the large, more analyte will remain in solution and not be included in mass of precipitated. In the crystal formation, crystal grow into stage nucleation, rapid combination of molecules to form nanoscales aggregated and particles growth, addition of more molecules to form microscope particles larger than uh, micrometer scales. The geometric analysis is the potential problems with particle formation. Colloid formation. A colloid is a nanoscale particles diameters is less than 1 micrometer to remain suspended in solutions, and colloids are recognized by colloid appearance of solutions. The colloids are the small throat and to remain suspended by the collisions with solvent molecules. So, evented temperature, the most salts have higher solubility with increased temperatures. The gravimetric analysis, the potential problem with the particle formation, so co-participation, inclusion of impurities in precipitate. Random occupation of a state is crystalline lattice by the understanding species occur when impurity has a similar size and charge to describe those of analytical. And now pockets in the impurities trapped with the crystalline structures and a solution to potential problems. Designations allow the participants to form slow in presence of hot solvent and cools gradually. Slow crystal form in promote to large particles and washing filters precipitate and wash with pure solvent, then resolve precipitate to heating and allow to recrystallization in slowly. So equilibrium will be favor formation of pure crystals and making agents, species the complex with impurities to keep forming precipitates and cyanide minus ion complex with a Mn plus 2 is analysis of calcium plus 2 ions. The convention of analysis method to determine the amount of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and sulfur is a sample. In a sample, the sample is burned in excess oxygen and the resulting process are called. So for example, say for samples plus oxygen convert to CO2 gases plus water gases plus N2 gases plus SO2 gases. So the crystals are used to ensure completion reactions to describe the product. Nitrogen carbon convert to CO2 and SO3 convert to in the SO3 gaseous form in the presence of copper convert to SO2 gaseous. Combustion analysis. Students, combustion analysis method. Flame samples. Sample are crystallized. Crystallized convert to U burate P4H P4O10 solution to trapped and associate NaOH and absorbs. So P4O10 absorbed in H2O generated and absorbed CO2 generated. Mass of the CO2 and H2O uh, determined by the trapped and taking to the differentiations. So combustion analysis. So analysis methods is a flash combustion following by analysis using chromatography. Gases chromatography. A small amount of sample is combustion is injector of the chromatography gas chromatography instrument. Gas chromatography separates a product mixture into individual components. So the gas chromatography detector measurement amount of each product. We will be discussed gas chromatography is more detailed. Later is the process in finger 2725 in text board systematic diagram. Okay, according to diagram, gas chromatography measurement of amounts of the product. Clear? ओके, तो ये होता है अपने पास ग्राविमेट्रिक एनालिसिस. इसके अकॉर्डिंग अपन गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी एंड सेपरेट मिक्सर इज इंडिविजुअल कंपोनेंट्स को अपन सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू.